Hey beauties, welcome back to the Meta Beauty channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a tutorial on how I achieve these nice, clean, sleek, and sharp bangs. You can achieve this look at home. All you need is a pair of scissors, a flat iron, and a curling wand. That's it. I know, right? 3 simple items. And the look can be achieved in a matter of minutes. So if you want to see how it is that I achieve this look, keep watching. So first, starting with a rat tail comb, I am just going to comb all of my hair to the front. Now my hair was originally in a middle part, so if your closure is not a middle part or it's free part and it's a little bit easier, you can kind of skip this step, or I would just encourage you to do it anyways. But all I'm trying to do right now is just get rid of that part. You know, when you have bangs, you don't want that middle part, and it's like, this is the hardest part of the whole cutting bangs thing. So like once you're done with this, everything else is a breeze. Well, all I'm doing is just doing random parts, taking my curling wand and just flattening the hair, just to kind of get rid of the part. And you just see me literally brushing and combing anywhere just to get rid of it. Like, it's just, you want that thing gone, okay? That's all I'm doing. So now, using the top of my ears as a reference, this is just going to kind of guide me as to where my bangs are going to start, because you don't want them to start too far back or too far to the front. And now, taking a section in the front, I'm just going to spread that out to make sure that it can cover my big forehead. So you want to do the same thing as well. Comb it out, all that good stuff, and just continuously make sure that it fits your forehead. And taking some scissors, you just cut straight. Be as precise as possible, because that's very important. And all I'm doing now is just trying to lay it down and constantly just cutting. It's like a repetitive cycle, so you want to make sure that you're starting out as long as you think you need to. And all I did was just take my flat iron and I bumped the bangs, and like I said, it's continuous. Like, it just doesn't stop. I'd rather you start off with a long piece of bang and work your way up than too short, because you can't really save short bangs. And once again, I'm going in just cutting. Just do it until you get the desired length that you want. And also remember that the hair is a little bumped, so the length looks different when it's actually flat iron. So you might want to make it actually a little bit longer than you think you need it, because when you bump it, it gets a little bit shorter. And right now, I'm just using my hands, and I will be using a comb to kind of just feather out the bangs, because I wanted them to look as natural as possible. Now, this step has nothing to do with the bangs, but my hair was pretty long and I wanted to cut it a little bit just to make the hair look a little bit more edgier. So that's all that you see me doing here. Nothing really too serious. I just use scissors to make it a blunt cut and a razor to layer it. And ta-da! That is how I achieve these bangs. It's so easy, you guys. And like, you can turn any old wig into something new and bomb and edgy in like literally a matter of minutes. And like, who doesn't want to do that? This, of course, as stated in the title, is Outre Remi hair. So I will leave a link to that below as well. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Meta Beauty channel. We try to get turned up this summer, you guys, okay? So just stay with us, and I will see you beauties next time. Bye.